My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Polygon Matic. Absolutely, the Polygon Matic will surprise you today, friends. As you can see here now on the screen, the whole changes, as you can see here, as positive, friends. That is why I'm very excited. That is why I'm very surprised from the Polygon Matic, friends. Anyways, in this video I will show you the latest update, the latest price predictions of the Polygon Matic. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Let's move on and let me show you the surprise news. As you can see here, the current price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 2.2 USD dollar, friends. On the other side, if we look the prices occur in the Polygon Matic, so absolutely the whole changes occur in the Polygon Matic as going positive. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week. The whole changes as this time as going positive. So I hope that they continue this kind of jump throughout this whole future. But now let me show you the last 1 day price chart of the Polygon Matic for more details. As you can see here, if we look at this time, so as you can see the Polygon Matic fast down occur, and on this time a lot of people message me on Instagram that now the price is again dropping. What should we do at this time, friends? As it is time to buy, sell or hold, friends. So personally I reply his messages, and I told him that it's time to hold. It's time to hold Polygon Matic, friends. I know, because I know that there is a temporary fast. With the passage of time they again start jump. So as I told my friends, as I told you my friends, as you can see here, now if we look the last 1 hour 2 hour pricing, so now in the last hours they again start jumping. So absolutely there's a surprise for all of those friends who's worrying about the Polygon Matic fast, friends. Let me show you more about the Polygon Matic. Let me show you, friends, what's going. As you can see here, friends, now the price changes occur in the Polygon Matic. So the price is absolutely going good, positive 15.81%. Price is going positive. That means that the price is going upward, friends. Absolutely, that's not a low price change, that's absolutely high price change. And 2.62 USD dollar is the highest price of the Polygon Matic, and now currently as you can see here 2.2. absolutely the price in the previous time it barely falls down, but now I think they're going good, and very soon they again heading at 2.62 USD dollar, friends. So same like that changes continue in a Polygon Matic. As you can see here, and a start they take a jump and again falls down for another time, and now again take a jump soon. So don't worry about the falls of the Polygon Matic. Every cryptocurrency falls down for a little time. That's not mean that you decide to sell. You have to hold, you have to you have to patient for the big jump, the big pump of the Polygon Matic. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.